You must have heard different names like Contura, SmartSurf, SmartPulse, or Zyoptics HD. These are different programs available on the Examel platform. So when we are doing PRK or LASIK surgery, this program can be used depending on the access to the machine you have. Like if you are working on the Alcon machine, then you may be able to do Contura, or suppose if you have access to the Schwinn machine, then you will be able to do SmartSurf or SmartPulse technology. And if you have access to Bausch & Lomb machine, then maybe you will be able to do Zyoptics HD. So these are the latest program which actually tries to improve your quality of vision, especially in the dim light. And if you can afford, you can go for this latest program also. Now, is everybody suitable for the laser surgery? No. That is why if you are interested in laser refractive surgery, then first you need to undergo suitability test, that is called topography, or different names are given like Pentachem or Opscan or Sirius or Galileo. So you have to undergo this test. In this test, we see the thickness of the cornea, and we see the cornea power. As we are going to change the power of the shape of the cornea, we need to see what is the existing power of the cornea patient has, and certain irregularity indices, basically to see the safety of this surgery in patient's eye. So looking at all these parameters, we evaluate the patient and decide whether this surgery is safe in your eyes or not. In my hand, there is something like 35% rejection rate, because everybody is not suitable for the laser surgery. There are many reasons for that. And when we tell the patient that you are not suitable for surgery, that means this surgery is not safe in the eyes. Patient doesn't have problem in the eye, but this surgery is not safe in their eyes. And what happens, suppose if you are not suitable for the laser surgery? Some patient can look for another option called phakic lens. So what we do in the phakic lens, we actually we cannot change the shape of the cornea, we cannot apply laser over that cornea. So what we do, this kind of lens is available. This is called phakic lens, where with this lens we actually put a small incision over the cornea. From that we go inside and position this lens just in front of the natural lens, like this. So from outside you cannot see this lens, and patient with this lens has a power like your glasses, and with this help of the lens you can actually see. So like normal people, there are many patients who wear a contact lens, where morning they wear it and evening they remove it, and you have to maintain, and after some time you have to buy the new pair. This lens also has a power. It is like a contact lens, but it is not contact lens. It has a different material, and it is permanently positioned inside your eyes. You don't have to maintain anything, or you don't need to replace anything in the future also. So these are the different options available for the refractive surgery, basically for those people who doesn't want to wear glasses or contact lens. If you are planning for this surgery, then you need to come for the suitability test. By that test, we can tell you whether you are suitable for surgery or not. If you are wearing contact lens, then at least stop it for 1 week and then go for the suitability test. If you have any doubt regarding this surgery, you can reach me anytime. Thank you very much.